pong mga kasama natin ngayon, mga kasama natin dyan na nanonood, yung tatlong speakers natin are coming from different companies na nag-offer ng iba't ibang products. Si Miss Daphne sa Sepat Credit, they offer OFW loan. So para po to sa mga kababayan natin na OFWs. Si Sir Mark naman with cycle financing is for sangla ng motorsiklo. So kung meron na po kayong motorsiklo, pwede nyo isangla yan, yung ORCR ng motorsiklo na yan, to get instant cash. While ang Cebuana Cycle naman ay motorcycle financing. Brand new, tama ba, Miss Tala? Brand new motorcycle financing. So that means na kung ang gusto mo naman, yes, mukhang mag-yes ka sana. Kung ang gusto mo naman ay makakuha ng brand new motorcycle, sa Cebuana Cycle Financing mo naman yun makukuha. So, both cash and then may motorcycle din tayong makukuha. So, back to my question. Well, how's the reception of the market now? Marami po ba tayong OFWs na nag-a-avail ng loan? Marami pa tayong motorcycle owners na are also um, believing na possible na isang lalang yung ORCR core, or is it still a new concept to them? I'll start with Miss Daphne.
Yan. Actually, Sir Ayan, sa amin, I can say naman na marami na talaga yung naglo-loan kasi even though I don't have the exact numbers no, yung current loan portfolio natin, but umabot na tayo ng billions din when it comes to loan portfolio dito kay Sapat. So talagang marami na rin yung mas knowledgeable na when it comes to loan kasi pag alam nila talaga na mas may maayos na proseso, may malinaw na terms, and talagang alam nila na maasahan nila yung financing partner na yun. Why not, di ba? Kung makakatulong din to their families din back home dito sa Philippines.
So to your point, hindi na sila ganun katakot.
Yes.
Yan, perfect. Sir Mark, how about you? Marami na ba yung mga motorcycle owners that are aware of this, or is it still a new concept to them?
I think sa question mo, no, hindi ko masasabi na takot sila. Pwedeng may hesitation o kaya curious sila. Kasi I think Sangla ORCR, particularly for motorcycles, is a relatively new concept. And who would have thought, di ba, na papel lang, so vehicle registration lang yung gagamitin mo to get a loan. Usually, iniiwan yung motor or kailangang iwan yung tricycle, di ba? Ganun siya sa mga previous years. Pero ngayon, like, yung papel lang na yun, yung ORCR, yun na yung magagamit. And we get a lot of inquiries per day, more than 600, more than 700. Tapos nagtatanong sila ng process. So, ibig sabihin, nandun yung pangangailangan and kailangan nila ng assistance, kailangan nila ng financial assistance. Ngayon, ang gusto nilang malaman, paano ba mag-apply or paano sila makakapagbayad or magkano yung makukuha nila. So, I guess, ang kailangan nating solusyonan dito is more about education. Na kagaya nga ng tagline ng Global Dominion na pwede pala, no? Pwede pala gamitin yung ORCR to get quick financial assistance. Di ba?
Thank
May
you,
ano
Sir
eh.
Mark. Nanghiram pa nga ng
May
tagline ng
tagline.
ibang financing company. Pero salamat no for emphasizing that. I think that's a beautiful insight that what's needed is really education and more on awareness. Miss Tala, hindi na kita tatanungin kung marami bang naghahanap ng motor. I'm sure madami. Pero marami ba ang tingin mo aware na pwede nyo i-finance yan rather than bilhin mo ng cash eh? What do you think?
Yes, actually surprisingly, yung mga inquiries namin talaga, or I would say na aware sila how it works. We are also getting a high number of applicants who are very interested to learn about our interest rates. They know na how to compare interest rates. So I could say na nakakatulong din talaga yung financial education na nakikita natin on social media kasi we are we are a growing market. So aside from that, the traditional marketing then from other companies, competitors, hindi na to bago sa mga potential clients natin. They're aware whenever they inquire, alam na rin nila kung ano yung mga itatanong. So I would say that they are all ready and they are financially informed with our processes.